Theorem 1. SSAA. Side, angle. Triangle inequality, Theorem 1. If one side of a triangle is longer than the second side, then the angle opposite the first is larger than the angle opposite the second side. For example, letter A. Write the angles of the triangle in order from largest to smallest. So we have triangle EAR, and these numbers are side. So this side 4 is opposite from the angle R, and from side 6 is opposite from the angle A, and for the last, side 8 is opposite from angle E. So yung malaki po ay mauuna, tapos yung next, tapos yung last po. So measure angle E is greater than measure angle A is greater than angle measure angle R. So ito po yung answer sa example A. Proceed po tayo sa example B. Use the symbol of greater than, less than, or equal to show the relationship of the measures of the angles in each triangles. We have triangle FUN. So yung mga side po magkakaparehas. So bigay ko po yung sagot. Measure angle F equal measure angle U and equal to measure angle N. So for the last example C, use the symbol of greater than and less than or equal to show the relationship of the measures of the angle in each triangle. We have triangle GEM. So yung si side 7 po, magka-opposite po siya kay E. Tapos yung another 7, side 7 po, magka-opposite po siya kay M. So yung 5 po kay G. So mauuna po ay si G. Measure angle G less than measure angle E is equal to measure angle M. So ito po yung mga example po sa triangle inequality theorem 1. Salamat.